What's happening? Hacking here on our porch here in Acampo, California, and I am about to work on this. This is a mongoose. Actually, I think this was a mongoose from Target or Walmart. Anyways, this frame. If you don't know about it, I found it. It was in great condition. I stripped it, painted it, put on some upgraded parts on it. Right now, I'm fixing a front flat. And the next thing I got for it is, okay, you see that stem? It's black. I got me a yellow one. It's a Fit BMX stem. Also, you see those rims? Say bye-bye to those because I ordered some mags. Now, the question is, do I keep the mags black? You'll kind of get an idea what it looks like with yellow and black with those rims. And I got a black chain ring. Or do I paint the mags yellow? So leave me a comment. Let me know. And I'll decide from your guys' reactions and stuff. Alright, Worm King out. I'll be back in a sec with the upgraded version of this with the new stem. Alright, the front tire is all repaired and stuff. About to change this. And now ordered this part right here. Alright, there's the finished product. I really didn't tighten it down yet because it's a bitch tightening it down with the three-way, because you know crossbar gets in the way, so I gotta go grab me an L hex wrench. But yeah, that's what it looks like. There you go. Stay tuned for the wheel update. Worm King out.